Like I said before, it's cheaper to assassinate them than to give them a buyout offer. I want all these people gone and replaced with penguins. They're a highly evolved workforce. They're trained and ready to go. They're walking, and look, they're already in uniform. All you do is pin some wings on them. The minute that they put in for family leave or have an injury on duty, you pack them in some dry ice and ship them back to the North Pole. It's our answered prayer. I want these penguins trained to work at the ticket counters, in reservations, on the airplanes. I even want them in the cockpit. This is the way it's going to go down, gentlemen. I want the penguins to be trained from the beginning that if they're working as flight attendants, they need to make this top drawer of the beverage cart into a bed at the end of the day, and this is where they will be sleeping on the layovers. We can totally do away with hotel expenses for crews. Well, I'll be glad to get out of here and back to London. Let me check my email. Oh, well, there's a few. Excuse me? That flight attendant that we terminated is still tracking our flight information? He knows where I'm going. Oh my goodness, who's helping him? I'm gonna find out. Oh gosh, I can't let him intimidate me. We've got smarter people than him over here. Oh, and his Operation Aluminum? Oh, he's not gonna win. Who's that over there? Oh, hello, hello. Oh, it's some employees. Oh, hello, yes, I'm your advocate. Oh, yes, I'm trying to make things better for you. Dumbasses. So anyway, well, how can I get out of here sooner? I need my golden parachute today. Sooner rather than later. I want another Vail American Airlines Celebrity Ski Week. Where's one when I need it? Wait a minute. Were they wearing aluminum-colored nail polish? And she shot a penguin at me.